Alright, welcome back, Mustangs. This is our daily video for Tuesday, August 17th. We had a lot to do today. Today, I'm going to just kind of get through it. For our do now today, I made sure that you guys had your Avid syllabus and agenda. It was important for you guys to go ahead and get that signed. I stamped some of them just to make sure that everybody had theirs. It's going to be important that we make sure we have our materials so you guys are used to a deadline. We went over, again, our classroom expectations, and we went over Google Classroom and adding it, as well as going through our Avid name tags. For our exit ticket, we did some name tag gibberish. We did not answer it on our index card, but for our do now, we were going ahead and add with syllabus and agenda. We are going to get to this do now within the next couple of days. We also talked about SLANT, S-L-A-N-T, making sure that we are continuing that. We didn't quite finish our classroom expectations on the first day of school, so they are here for you guys. All right, and then we discussed how to join the Google Classroom. I gave you guys the code, so that was there for you as well. And then for our exit ticket, we did not do this one because we did this our first day. We instead did the name that gibberish. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to me in person or tutoring hours. I'll see you guys in class.